Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2021 Chevrolet Silverado. This Silverado is featured in a black paint and has the LT Trail Boss finish. We have the Z71 off-road package, a trailering package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, backup camera with adaptive guidelines, as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Into the front of the vehicle, we can see we have our chrome door handle. Just beyond that, we have our locks for our doors. Moving down, we have all of our automatic window controls, as well as our mirror controls. Then just below, we have some additional storage. Moving up to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our tow mode, as well as our drive select, including 4 high and 4 low. Moving down, we have all of our lighting controls, including in-bed lighting, and our central dash controls. Moving up, we have our display cluster with digital information system in the middle. On the left-hand side, we have all of our cruise control, as well as our heated steering wheel button. On the right-hand side, all of our hands-free settings. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. That includes our radio, some additional settings for our trailer lights, as well as Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and our backup camera with adaptive guidelines. Just below, if we choose not to use the touchscreen, we have some extra controls. Then we have our dual zone front climate control, our heated seats for both our driver and our passenger. Then below that, we have our downhill assist, our open hatch button, as well as our ABS and hazard lights. Here we have our trailer assist, a micro USB, as well as a USB-C, a 12-volt plug, and a additional spot if we choose to put a plug there. Moving down, we have some extra storage. We can see our key. We have our lock, our unlock. The circle is our remote start button. And we have our trunk opener. Then beyond that, we can see that we have 2 cup holders with some extra storage in the center. We have our center console, which has plenty of room inside of it. Moving up, we can see our seats. They are in a black cloth finish, and of course they are heated in the front. Lastly, above the rear view mirror, we can see our OnStar settings, our rear passenger check, as well as our light controls. Walking down the side of the vehicle, just in front of our front door, we can see our Z71 badging. Moving down, we see our black aluminum rims with Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Up, we have our paint match side mirrors, as well as our paint match door handles with our keyless entry. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have our Trail Boss badging on the back of the bed. In the corner, we have our corner steps to help us access the bed easier. In the back, we can see our trailer hitch, as well as our pronged plugs. Moving up, we can see that we do have our backup camera. We have an easy open hatch, which we can do either from the keys or from push of the button. And we can see we have a black finished bed with a bed liner. Into the rear of the vehicle, we can once again see we have our chrome door handle, as well as our window control, and extra storage in the door panel itself. Moving in the seat in front of us, we can see that we have our magazine holders. On our center console, we have 2 additional cup holders and some storage. Below that, we have a micro USB, a USB-C, as well as a 12-volt plug. We can see the passenger side also has our magazine holder. Moving up, we can see the seats match the black cloth that we have in the front. We have a foldable center seat that contains 2 more cup holders and storage. And then in the back of the seat, we can see that we have a pullout for additional storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.